What if I tell you that you can automate adding intros to your social media videos? So on the make.com, you simply go create a new scenario and then click on plus button. Here you have to search for Eranol. Once you selected Eranol, click on add intro. And then after that, you have to add your API key. It's very simple. You go on eranol.com, log in into your account, go on dashboard, click on API keys, click create API key, put a name, let's say make, create API key. Once created, copy the API key, come back to make.com and add your API key here. And you would be able to do that straight away. Now, the first thing is you have to provide a publicly accessible video URL for your video. So let's say we have this folder called Eranol. We have created some videos with VO. So I'm going to copy one of this video sharing URL. So I'm going to go to share. Make sure that anyone with the link is active, because without it, Eranol will not be able to access your video. After that, you have to provide the intro video URL. For example, here, as you can see in the intro folder, I have some intro videos. For example, this is my intro, right? So I'm going to copy this share URL from here. But again, anyone with the link, copy link, done. Go back, put the URL here. It could be from any publicly accessible URL. So you don't have to upload it on just Google Drive, but for the ease of this tutorial, I use that. Click on save. After that, we have to add a sleep tool because we want to wait for a while. So let's say 15 seconds is good. Yeah, there you go. Then save. And after that, we will add another node from Eranol itself. But this time we will say status, because once we send the first request, it will create a job for us. And then we have to check the status of the job to get the results. If we run this one, let's say this module only, and then it will show us that it has created a job ID. There you go, which is job title, add intro, and the status URL. After that, it will wait for 15 seconds. And then at the end, what we have to do is we have to provide the job ID here. So we'll just copy this job ID here and save, or maybe I just run the whole thing again. So we run the first one, it will create the job ID for us, and then it will wait for 15 seconds. And then we send the job ID to Eranol again. So as you can see, the job ID is still processing. So in this case, as you know, in the production, the videos might be bigger. You can create a loop to go back to the wait and then come back again. But for now, we'll just run this node again. And let me actually copy the job ID so that we have it. And click OK. And then it's running again. And there you go, it is completed. So once it is completed, you click on result, copy this URL, go to a new browser. There you go. It is a big intro video for a few seconds initially. And then the big video we added for the intro. Now remember, when it starts, all these left and right space, it is black because we haven't provided a proper aspect ratio. That's why it added both the video in the same aspect ratio. All right, this is how you add intros to your video. Any questions? Let me know in the comments.